Before air conditioning, summer was a relentless enemy. Ancient civilizations like Rome and Persia battled heat with wind catchers and aqueducts, but productivity crumbled in sweltering factories, and heat stroke deaths plagued cities. In 1900, New York recorded over 4,000 heat-related fatalities in a single week. Heat wasn't just discomfort, it was a barrier to progress, confining urban growth to temperate zones and limiting work hours. Humanity needed a revolution. In 1902, 25-year-old engineer Willis solved a printing press humidity problem and accidentally birthed modern air conditioning. His system used chilled coils to control temperature and humidity, first cooling a Brooklyn printing plant. By 1925, AC reached theaters, sparking the summer blockbuster era as crowds flocked to cooled cinemas. The 1930s saw AC in skyscrapers, and by the 1950s, compact units made home cooling affordable. Carrier didn't just invent comfort, he unleashed a tool for civilization's expansion. Air conditioning made the impossible possible. Cities like Phoenix and Dubai, once uninhabitable in summer, now thrive with AC-dependent skyscrapers. Hospitals could store vaccines year-round, reducing heat-related deaths by 90% since 1920. Office productivity soared as workers escaped heat lethargy. The Sun Belt's population exploded. Houston grew 500% post-AC. AC didn't just cool rooms, it cooled entire economies, enabling globalization by making tropical offices viable. The modern cityscape is a monument to Carrier's invention. Today, air conditioning consumes 10% of global electricity and leaks potent greenhouse gases like HFCs. Ironically, AC worsens the heat waves it alleviates. Urban heat islands intensify as waste heat from units raises city temperatures. Developing nations face a cruel dilemma: suffer deadly heat or accelerate climate change. Server farms guzzle AC to prevent meltdowns, while perishable global trade depends on refrigerated shipping. AC created modern life, but now threatens its sustainability. Innovators are re-engineering cooling. Solid-state ACs using thermoelectric materials could slash energy use by 70%. Dubai's solar-powered district cooling plants chill water at night. Architects revive ancient wind catcher designs with AI-optimized airflow. Even Carrier's company now markets low-GDP refrigerants. The goal: preserve AC's civilization-shifting benefits without burning the planet. As heat waves intensify, the stakes couldn't be higher. The next cooling revolution must balance human comfort with Earth's survival.